Once upon a time, deep in the heart of a dark and gloomy forest, lived a big, bad wolf. He was so big and bad that all the forest animals were afraid of him. They would run and hide whenever they saw his mean and nasty face. The wolf wanted to eat the puppy, but first he wanted to play with it a little. So he started howling really loudly. One day, the wolf was out hunting for his dinner. He decided to play a trick on the little puppy. He pretended to be a little bird and started flapping his arms and making bird noises. He kept flapping his arms and making bird noises, and the puppy kept barking and running. The wolf howled with laughter. He had never had so much fun before. As he walked past a farmhouse, he saw a delicious meal on the table. It was a big, juicy steak. The wolf couldn't resist. He stopped pretending to be a bird and walked away. The little puppy, who had not seen the wolf's face, was still very scared. And the little wolf, well, he lived happily ever after. He stayed inside the doghouse and didn't come out until the next morning. He sneaked into the kitchen and gobbled up the steak in no time. And after a while, the puppy got really tired and went to sleep. The wolf was very pleased with himself. He thought he had made the puppy very tired, and now he could easily catch and eat it. He thought it was a big, scary bird trying to scare him away from his house. So the puppy started barking and yelping and ran around the doghouse in circles. As he was finishing his meal, the wolf noticed a doghouse outside. There was a little puppy inside. He had scared the big bad wolf away. The little puppy started barking and howling back. The wolf kept doing this for a long time. But as the sun began to set, the wolf's shadow grew longer and longer. Suddenly, the wolf had an idea. The little puppy saw the shadow on the ground and got very scared. The wolf was having a great time. After a while, the wolf got tired of playing. When the sun came up, the wolf was nowhere to be seen. The little puppy wagged his tail and barked happily. From that day on, the wolf never bothered the puppy again.